Hey everybody, King Piers back out here in Centerview. Come to check on the progress of my men. What's going on out here is we're hollowing out this basement, 4-foot crawl space. We're gonna make it a 9-foot tall basement with walls and new floor. Hogging out the dirt, doing it in a safe way here. The house has not moved one iota. King Piers, Centerview. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. You can go to my website, kingpiers.com. We are the very best at foundation repair. Prove it day in and day out. Go to our YouTube channel, give us a like and a subscribe. Also, check us out on Facebook. All of our jobs are recorded, videotaped, showing what we do. Stay tuned, kingpiers.com.